Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Jordan 3 Laser Orange and also 3 ways to style them. Before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got new videos on this channel every week. Alright guys, back again with another Jordan 3 review and style video. This one here is a special one. I'm very excited for this one. This is officially the Jordan 3 Laser Orange. This was officially released as a women's sneaker. So for me, I was lucky enough to get the size 12, which is a men's 10.5. So I think that's the biggest it goes, which is a bummer. I think this is a really nice pair of sneakers that a lot of people should have gotten their hands on. This one we have the lid top in all white with the Laser Orange Jumpman logo. And then on the bottom, it is all elephant print. I wasn't able to get these for retail, so I had to get them off of Goat. And now let's get into this. We got the elephant paper, and here it is. Nice. So here it is, the Jordan 3 Laser Orange. So I've been really excited for this since the photos released because they're so similar to the Kobe 3 PE edition exclusive. Those are going crazy numbers. So as of right now, this is as close as we can get to a Kobe Jordan 3 player exclusive, and I gotta say these are so clean and so nice in hand. Let's get into the details of these Jordan 3 Laser Orange here. So for the most part, it's your traditional Jordan 3. Nothing much really has changed. It's your classic look. You got the white tumble leather, you got the elephant print in the toe box area here. On the back, you have the Jumpman logo in black. Of course, the main feature on this is the Laser Orange on the back, the laces, and also the tongue and the Jumpman. Overall, it's a really nice and clean execution on these. I really wish they just kind of did the Kobe exclusives or even just named these the Kobe's and also did a general release that's not just for women's sizes. I think this is definitely a must if you're a Kobe or a Lakers fan to add to your rotation. The Jordan brand has been coming out with a lot of Jordan 3 this year. We got the UNC Carolina Blue early this year. So now this is my third pair of Jordan 3 this year. And I gotta say, this is by far my favorite just because I'm a huge Kobe and Lakers fan. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys 3 quick and easy ways to style these Air Jordan 3 Laser Orange / Kobe Lakers. Let's go. Outfit number 1, I'm going with a Lakers varsity jacket. This Lakers jacket here is a vintage that I got off of Etsy, and I think you can find similar ones like that on Etsy or on eBay. And I just love this like retro look. I think that's a really stylish way to wear and rock your sports team to match in your outfits. So of course it's a no-brainer to match these Jordan 3s with your favorite Lakers gear or with your favorite teams that have this color. You can easily mix and match with other things in your closet. I have a lot of Lakers stuff, so this is one of my favorite jackets, and I think obviously it goes really well with the sneakers. And then for the bottom, I'm going with these blue ripped jeans. These are from Express, and these are one of my favorites. I think the blue ripped jeans goes really well, and I like that the rip parts is like this off-white beige color, so gives it more of a vintage vibe to the jeans. So you got the purple varsity jacket on the top, and then you got the blue ripped jeans, and then letting the shoes pop on the bottom to finish off the look. All right, outfit number 2, we have a plaid coat. This plaid coat here I got from Zara, and this is a size medium. This is a menswear tailored look to match these Jordan 3s. And I love this plaid color. You have different shades of brown in the pattern. Just matching with these, we're going with the yellow family here. So the Laser Orange, the Lakers yellow here, goes really well with brown pieces. This is a really nice and sharp way to style the Jordan 3. With an easy layer piece like this on the top, it changes your outfit completely. And I'm just gonna go with a pair of gray jeans for the bottom to balance out the look. The gray jeans are great because it matches really well with the elephant print. You got the pattern tailored piece on the top, the casual gray jeans, and then you have the sneaker to pop on the bottom. Outfit number 3, I have a bomber jacket. This bomber jacket is from Dsquared, and this I got in a size 48, and this is made in Italy. So again, matching the yellow color on the sneaker with the beige color goes really well, especially for the fall season. This jacket I really love because it also has this mixed material with the black leather on the sleeves. This jacket is also really cool because it's similar to the one that Chadwick Boseman wore in one of his videos. And I just love that with this outfit, I'm paying a little homage to the Black Panther and also to the Black Mamba. And for the bottom, just going with a pair of all black jeans. So a really nice and clean outfit. You got that upscale hype, Taylor hype look going, mixing a high-end designer piece with a pair of black jeans to go with the Jordan sneakers. And I love the black combo in the outfit, the black leather sleeves and also the black jeans to match the black details on the sneaker, which you got the black details in the elephant print and also the Jumpman. So subtle, but it's gonna go really well together. So there you have it, guys. 3 easy outfits for you guys to match the Jordan 3 Laser Orange, AKA the Kobe Lakers special edition. Let me know in the comments which one of these outfits is your favorite, and let me know your thoughts on the Jordan 3 here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.